The military police cars are different. So different. Oh. Has really cool balconies.
Yeah, I come from the taxi.
Look, public toilets, and they have a sub and surf boards over there to rent. Oh, their cocoa is much more expensive here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, coco gelado aqui, R$4. R$4. Where we're staying, they sell it for R$3.
Look at this, like coming.
Yeah, boss lady, that's me. Ush, I don't like that nickname. Don't like it at all. So many people. So what's reflecting it though? Oh, there. Look at that. That's the one. There's a commercial right there. Who would be seeing that? Where would you be seeing? You would actually... No. So I wonder if we're like further away, it actually shows. Because it goes straight into someone's apartment. Poor people. No, babe. Have a look again. This one here. Ooh, gonna jump through fire.
Do you think purple could do it?
She could. So who's this gentleman over here?
No idea.
Apoio cultural. Não. Almir Carne Santos. Carlo Henrique Gastelum. Submarine. Come over here. Doggy, come here. Quer água?
Boa noite, pessoal.
Boa
Tudo
noite,
bom?
pessoal.
Vou dar um cartãozinho pra vocês ali na Cruzeiro, Brasil Tropical, pra vocês almoçar ou jantar. Aí vão ganhar um coquetel, uma caipirinha, tá bom? É self-service lá, camarão, peixe, comida boa. Tá bom?
Obrigada.
Ó, grátis. 2 pra ti e 2 pra você. Almoço e janta lá, tá? Uma delícia.
Eu tô com ele.
Não,
Obrigada.
eu vou dar 2 pra cada.
Ah, entendi. Obrigada.
Prazer em vocês, viu? Tá bom?
Obrigada,
Você
obrigada.
é americano?
No Inglaterra.
Inglaterra. Então, aí vocês vão almoçar ou jantar lá, muito bom, uma delícia lá. Estão de férias?
Sim. Sim, sim.
Aí tem outro aqui também, que é muito bom vocês irem também.
This is how you do business, eh?
Yeah.
You can hold this for me.
How about you hold it?
I don't have anything to hold.
Ó, pizzaria.
Pizzaria onde?
Carimbada aqui, muito boa.
Domênico.
É ali naquele aqui bem na esquina, bem ali na esquina do
Ali na
Beira Mar.
Aham, ali, né?
É italiana, apresenta esse papel cada um de vocês.
Você já comeu lá?
15% de desconto esse papel.
15% de desconto. Que
delícia,
bom,
né?
olha só.
Tá bom, vai lá, viu? Uma delícia.
Ótimo.
Tá bom.
Obrigado.
How do you feel this compared to Copacabana?
I think it's more calmer here, I think. I prefer this. It's more relaxed. And I feel like there's a lot more to do. More to do here as well. Copacabana is nice. You got that, it's famous, people know it, you know?
But this is
more local.
this feels 10 times safer somehow than Copacabana, and people here actually want to know you. They genuinely are interested in who you are. And they said several times, you guys are not from here. No, we're not from here. And then you go start the conversation, you can feel like they're not in there for the money or anything like that. Public bathroom doesn't cost anything, which Copacabana is like 4 reais. Sometimes you don't even have that on you. So here is the market. Whatever you see here, you can buy at Central Market for half of the price. So let's have a look.
Let's go down one of them.
Yeah, you know, hustle.
We'll try to think of your life.
Yeah, you gotta hustle. That's the thing. Look, you might even find your type of clothes here.
Oh, that's really cool.
And it goes on for miles. Remember to bargain. Always bargain. And in Ceará, they're very, very famous for the leather making as well.
Yeah, I think it's really.
Yeah. You like it? Have a look. Remember, tomorrow is half price. He was really simpatico too. Bit.
É, foi tu que me deu o dinheiro, não foi ela, não?
Não, só que ela tava falando.
Mãe, eu tô aqui, tá achando.
Vem aqui. Come on.
Umas coisas aí, chocolate.
Mesinha ali, ó, no salão. Tá à vontade de comer um peixinho, tilápiazinha bem servido, completo. Tilápia, lagosta, camarão. Claro.
Can we? Do you want to go more here, or do you want to go on that one? Yeah. No, you choose, babe.
Let's go.
You want this one?
Olha aqui, Grace. Olha o clipe, trabalho diferente.
See? Kingsley! Vamos! Vamos, Fufu, vambora! Look how big that white dog is over there. The market over there.
Oh, yes.
That's a craft market. And we've learned that all the prices here are half the prices if you go to the central market. Of course. Okay, hold on. So. Fufu, koppel. Hold on, koppel.
Alright.
3. The little bird down there. Hey, Fufu. Let's go have a look.